Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're gonna be drawing Alex from Minecraft. It's gonna be super easy, quick, and fun, and colorful, so come join us. Let's get started drawing Alex from Minecraft. I'm excited. Girl power, we love it. So let's get started. So what we're gonna do is, the first thing we're gonna do is draw the outline of the body, which is 2 vertical lines coming down.
Okay.
And it's gonna be super easy because everything else is like boxes and squares, and it's gonna be fun.
Yay!
So let's draw the vertical lines. I left some space, and I'm gonna just draw a vertical line going all the way down. Let's just hope it's straight. There's one, and then we're gonna move over some space, and I'm also gonna leave some space on this side. So I might just start somewhere here, and I'm gonna draw another vertical line coming down. So maybe about there. So we have 2 vertical lines. And with these lines, what we're gonna do is we're gonna close them off and just make it a really long rectangle.
That's nice.
So I'm gonna draw a horizontal line coming across this way. And then I'm gonna draw a horizontal line at the bottom. So there we have it, a really long rectangle. So there we have it, guys. So we have just the really long rectangle. And then from there, we're gonna draw the separation of the face, the shirt, and the pants, okay? So for the head, it's gonna be 1 square. So all I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna leave some space, come down, and then I'm just gonna draw a horizontal line that's gonna make a square. So I'm just gonna come across straight, and then we made a square, which is gonna be the head. And then from there, I'm gonna draw another square, and that's gonna separate the head from the shirt, and then the shirt from the pants, okay? So I'm just gonna draw another horizontal line, and I'm gonna leave some space for the shirt. I'm just gonna come across and draw a horizontal line. So this is where the head is, the shirt, and then the pants, okay? So the next step is gonna be to draw the arms, and the arms are gonna come out from the head and then go down just a little bit where the pants are. So it's past the shirt a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna continue this line, right? And I'm gonna come across and make a horizontal line that comes out just about that much, not across the whole paper. And then I'm gonna come down with a vertical line, just like this. And then I'm gonna come across again with a horizontal line. So that's one arm. And I'm gonna copy the same arm design on this side, okay? So there we have 2 arms. And then from there, we could draw all the details, which is gonna be super fun and super easy, okay? So I'm gonna start with the pants. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna draw a vertical line that splits the 2 legs. It's just not gonna go all the way up the pant, okay? So I'm just gonna start maybe over here, and I'm just gonna draw a vertical line that comes down. And this splits to 2 pants, right? And then from there, I'm just gonna draw a horizontal line here. So I'm gonna, not all the way where the top is, I'm just gonna come down a bit, and I'm just gonna draw a horizontal line. So this horizontal line separates the pants from the boots. So we have another separation, which is cool. And then I'm gonna draw the details of the shirt that continues onto the pants. And what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna draw a short horizontal line, probably about halfway through the pants. So I'm just gonna draw a short horizontal line like this, okay? And then I'm gonna copy that same short horizontal line on this side. And then I'm gonna draw a vertical line, but not all the way up. So I'm gonna come up vertically, and I'll stop maybe like right there. I left some space. And I'm gonna copy the same here. And then I'm gonna draw a horizontal line to connect those 2. So that's also a part of the shirt. From there we could draw, well, also from there we only really have the face, some details on the shirt, and that's about it. So it's gonna be super easy and quick, okay?
Woohoo!
So we're gonna draw the sleeves of the shirt. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna come down, leave a little bit of space, and I'm gonna just draw a horizontal line like this. Then I'm gonna draw another horizontal line right under it, and that's also gonna be part of the sleeve. And then I'm gonna copy that same design on this side. Who's excited for the Minecraft movie? I know it just came out. It's super fun. We haven't seen it yet, so we're excited to go. But this is what inspired the drawing today. So from there, we're gonna draw the details of the shirt, which is fun. A lot of squares, a lot of boxes. It's gonna be super cool. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna draw a vertical line and I'm gonna leave space. So I'm just gonna draw a vertical line like this, and then I'm gonna draw that same vertical line right next to it. And then from there, I'm gonna close it off and it's gonna look like a rectangle. And then from there, I'm gonna draw a square attached to this rectangle. So I'm gonna continue this line, come across a little bit, come down with another vertical line, and then close the square. So we have a rectangle and a square. So the next shape I'm gonna draw is a rectangle, just not vertical, it's gonna be horizontal. So from this line, I'm gonna come across straight like this, right? And then I could draw a short vertical line, and then another short vertical line, and then connect it to draw a long rectangle. So there we have that. And then from there, we're gonna just draw something that looks like a puzzle piece. So I'm gonna come right here. I'm gonna leave some space in between. I'm gonna draw a short vertical line here. And then from there, I'm gonna draw a short horizontal line going to the right, just like that. It looks like the letter L. And then I'm gonna come down with a short vertical line. And then I'm gonna come across horizontally to the left. So I'm just gonna go a little bit like this and I'll stop right where I stopped there. And then from there, I'm gonna just come down and connect it to this box. So I'm gonna come like this and connect it there, right? And then this section, you guys probably can't tell, but this is her hair. This was like her shirt and now this is her hair. So I'm gonna come down from this line too, like we have been. I'll come down just a little bit, come across horizontally just a little bit. I'm gonna go up vertically like that, as if I was gonna make a square. But instead of making a square and going this way, I'm gonna make a horizontal line going to the right like this. I'm gonna come up vertically, and then one more time horizontally, just like that. Kind of looks like a puzzle piece. But you guys could do that one however you want, however you guys find that one easy. And then from there, we're gonna draw the details of her face, which is gonna be super fun. I'm gonna start off with her mouth. So her mouth is gonna be a square, and it's gonna be open, like she's surprised. So I'm gonna draw a short horizontal line like this, and it's somewhat in the middle of her whole head, towards the bottom. Then I'm gonna draw a vertical line to connect that. I'm gonna draw another vertical line here to connect that, and then a horizontal line to finish making the box. So that's her mouth. And then from there, I'm gonna draw her eyes. So her eyes are gonna be two boxes as well. They're just gonna be a little longer and they might look like rectangles. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a horizontal line here, right above the mouth. And I did it just a little bit in from the mouth. So I'm gonna do it again here, like just a little bit in from the mouth. I'm gonna start here, and then I'm gonna draw a horizontal line. And then I'm gonna go up vertically, just a little bit. Then I'm gonna go up vertically here, and then I'm gonna connect it, and it looks like a box. And then I'll do the same thing on this side. And that one looks like a box as well. So then we're gonna do her hair. Her hair looks like bangs a little bit. And what I'm gonna do is from this eye, I'm gonna come up and then go across horizontally to about where this eye starts. So if I look at this, I'm gonna come across and I'm gonna go here and I'll stop like right there. And then I'm gonna go up vertically, not all the way to the top. I'm gonna stop maybe right there, go across horizontally, and then come back down at that same level. So I'm gonna stop maybe like right here, and I could just continue like this. That makes it easier. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come across horizontally. I'll stop right there, I left some space, and then I'm gonna come down to the eye and then to the head. Those are like her bangs, and then I could just finish this side too here. So all this section up here is her hair. And then from there, all we have left is the rest of her hair. And that rest of her hair goes into her sleeve a bit, and it's just a tiny bit. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna continue with the hair, and all I'm gonna do is come here, I'm gonna draw a line coming down, and then a line across. it looks like a backwards L. And that's also gonna be her hair. So whatever I color here, I'm gonna color there. One more detail, her eyes. So a little halfway, we're gonna draw just a vertical line, a little less than halfway. That's where her eyes are gonna go. And I'm gonna draw the same thing here. And now we're done. And now we could color it in. So let's just grab whatever color pencils, crayons, markers that we have, and let's just start coloring this in. All right, everyone, so there we have Alex. She came out so cute.
Yes.
Hopefully you guys found it easy. It was a lot of boxes, a lot of rectangles. Hopefully the step-by-step was easy, and hopefully you guys had fun doing it, because that's all that really matters. So stay tuned for more cool drawings and more step-by-steps. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, thank you.